Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we dive deep into the latest and greatest beauty products. Today, we're checking out a very practical and space-saving solution for your vanity, this makeup brush holder organizer with a lid. If you're tired of dust getting on your brushes and clutter taking over your countertop, this could be just the organizer you need. Let's explore its features and how it performs in the real world. First, let's go over the key features of this makeup brush holder organizer. It's designed with a sliding door lid, which means no more lifting a cover and potentially spilling your brushes. Instead, the sliding door keeps everything enclosed, preventing dust and bacteria from landing on your makeup brushes. The 360-degree rotating base ensures you can easily access all of your brushes and tools, no matter where they are positioned. And with 3 different sections, this organizer offers versatile storage. Tall and short brushes, plus small cosmetic tools can all be stored separately. Its compact size, measuring just 4.8 inches wide, makes it a great space-saving addition to your bathroom countertop or vanity. Plus, it's easy to assemble and even easier to clean, thanks to its washable design. Now let's talk about how this organizer performs in real-world use. First of all, putting it together is a breeze. You simply attach the feet pads to the bottom and clip the decorative ball on top. Once it's set up, it sits sturdy on your vanity, and you can immediately appreciate how much space it frees up by keeping your brushes neatly organized. The sliding door feature is convenient, especially if you're someone who doesn't like constantly lifting a lid every time you need a brush. The 360-degree rotation is one of the most useful features. It makes accessing all your tools simple and quick. Whether you're using your smallest liner brush or your largest foundation brush, everything is within easy reach. On the downside, the organizer's overall size might be a bit too compact if you have a large collection of brushes. While it's perfect for basic setups, those with an extensive makeup arsenal may find it limiting in terms of capacity. The material is also lightweight, which is great for portability, but could be a concern if you're looking for something with a bit more heft. It doesn't have the premium feel of heavier organizers, though for the price, it holds up quite well. Let's talk about value for money. For its affordable price, this makeup brush holder organizer provides a solid, functional design. The rotating feature and dustproof lid are definitely selling points, but if you have a massive collection of brushes, this might not be the best option in terms of capacity. The compact design makes it a great choice for those with limited space or a smaller brush collection. When comparing this organizer to others in the market, it definitely stands out with its sliding door and rotating base. Many similar organizers just offer a basic holder or a removable lid, but this one's combination of features gives it an edge in both convenience and cleanliness. The price point is also competitive, but again, if you're looking for something more heavy-duty or for larger collections, you might need to consider other options. In terms of build quality, the materials are decent for the price, but it's clear that this is not a high-end product. The plastic feels lightweight but sturdy enough for everyday use. If you're expecting a luxurious finish, this might not be the choice for you, but it gets the job done. Longevity should be fine, as long as you're not handling it too roughly. Customer support was not something I had to interact with, as the product didn't raise any major issues. The brand's reputation for straightforward, functional products stands here, with an emphasis on simple designs that meet everyday needs. If you're looking for cheaper alternatives, there are similar brush organizers available that may lack the rotating base, but still offer dust protection. However, if you're looking for something more customizable with different sections, this organizer stands out in that regard. To sum it all up, this makeup brush holder organizer is a solid, no-frills option for keeping your makeup brushes clean and easily accessible. It's compact, easy to assemble, and practical for those with a smaller makeup collection or limited counter space. If you need more room or a more premium feel, this might not be for you, but for many, it's a reliable and functional choice. If you're enjoying this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more product reviews and beauty tips on Beautyistic. Thanks for watching, and if you've already tried this organizer, drop your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear how it's worked for you. Until next time, stay fabulous, stay organized, and of course, stay beautyistic.